Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Sign into Google Drive and locate the Excel workbook you want to link. Once done, decide if you'll use the Drive desktop app or upload via the web. If using the desktop app, install and sign in, then let the Drive folder sync. If uploading manually, open Drive. Google.com and drag the file into the target folder. Make sure column headers are clean and saved. This avoids import errors later and speeds up the link process. Now you decide how the link works. Keep the file as XLSX for manual edits or convert it to Google Sheets for live collaboration. If you convert, right-click the uploaded file and choose Open with Google Sheets. This creates an editable copy that updates instantly. If you prefer to edit in Excel, use Drive for desktop so saving in Excel syncs the file to Drive. Once configured, test by making a small change. Then confirm the updated file appears on. Finish by setting sharing permissions. Share with specific emails and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Once done, test the full flow. Save changes in Excel and verify they appear on Drive or in the converted Google Sheet. If synchronization fails, sign out and back into Drive or reinstall Drive for desktop. Make sure the file isn't exceeding Drive limits. One key tip: when links break, re-upload the file to the same folder and reshare to restore accessible links quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.